When you're visiting the wonderful city of Zurich, Switzerland, we recommend the Altstadt Boutique Hotel. The Altstadt Hotel is situated directly in the center of the old city, easy walking distance to anywhere, and it is but a 14-minute walk from the train station. There is an attached cafe and bar. Breakfast is not included, but the coffee and food was fantastic. Each guest room is themed around a unique artist or writer. Ours was based on Ludwig Haarig. In the rooms were some books about Switzerland, the hotel. Some of Ludwig's books are included as well. Full room tour follows. This is a very large and nice room. Very good sized bathroom. Dual sinks here. There is a shower tub combination. The floor did get a little wet. I think that panel needs to be a little longer to prevent that from happening. But overall, very nice experience. Everything tiled, very clean. Across from the bathroom, you'll have a closet right behind the door, extra bedding, kettle, safe, and micro fridge as usual with most hotels. Desk was very good size. They will work quite efficiently here. Has its own desk lamp. The bed was very nice here, and we loved the individual duvet covers. Very, very nice. Some quotes on the wall from Ludwig. And 2 chairs and a table sitting area. Not much of a view outside, but it is but a few steps from the old city. Highly recommended. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more, please consider subscribing. It means a lot to us and helps our channel grow.